Here we have a 2008 Ford Focus SES. This is a 2-liter engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a coupe, and as you can see, we'll take a look at the interior. It's got keyless entry, so you can just push the button on your key fob. It's got power windows, power locks. Let's take a look a bit closer. You can see the dash there. It's got cruise control, audio controls, and Bluetooth for hands-free calling. Now let's turn on the car. And now you can take a look at the dash there. There's the clock, the digital. It never displays as well in any of the cars with this camera, but it definitely looks fine when you're there in person. You can see it perfectly. And you can see into the center console here. Got some storage space there, the glove box. And take a look at the seats, the vinyl, and the carpets. You got all in excellent condition. Now let's move to the rear of the vehicle. It's a perfectly sunny day, and you can see there's absolutely no dents or scratches. This car is in great shape. The previous owners took great care of this car. Lots of room in the trunk. Ample space. Now let's move to the passenger side. You can see no dents or scratches. The wheels are shining. Now let's pull the seat back. We have 2 seats in the back. Oh, sorry, 3 seats in the back there. And let's move to the front of the car. Take another look at that grille. Come check this out. Take it for a test drive at Kingston Dodge, 1429 Princess Street, where we say yes, you can drive the car that you want.